Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best MIG welders that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're an experienced welder or just starting out, these machines offer a range of features to suit your needs. Check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Azuno MIG Welder, a compact and budget-friendly option priced at just $59.49. This machine is great for beginners and hobbyists who need a portable, lightweight welder. It features a 130A output and a gasless flux core setup, making it easy to use without the need for a gas cylinder. With synergic control, it automatically adjusts the voltage and wire feeding speed, so even first-time users can get started quickly. In terms of design, the Azuno is impressively lightweight at only 8.6 pounds, making it one of the most portable options in this lineup. It's small enough to carry with one hand, yet it's big enough to handle 2.2-pound rolls of wire. However, its limited power means it's best suited for thin materials like mild steel up to 3.0 millimeters thick, and it may struggle with more demanding projects. Overall, the Azuno is an excellent choice for quick repairs and small DIY projects. Its affordability and ease of use make it a good entry-level machine, but professionals or users with heavy-duty needs may find it lacking in power. Pros include its price and portability, while cons are its limited welding capacity and basic feature set. Coming in at number 4 is the HHZX Vogan 145A MIG Welder, priced at $69.99. This dual-voltage welder offers a bit more power and versatility than the Azuno, with a 145A output and the ability to run on both 110 volts and 220 volts. It's a gasless welder designed for light fabrication, DIY projects, and quick repairs. The standout feature here is its smooth wire feed system, which ensures consistent performance without the need for manual adjustments. In terms of design, the HX Vogan is compact and lightweight, weighing just 9 pounds. Its sturdy build and built-in fan protection make it a reliable choice for extended use. However, while it performs well on mild steel and thin materials, it's not ideal for heavy-duty applications or thicker metals. The smart cooling system and industrial-grade chip offer added safety and stability, making it a good option for beginners. Overall, this welder offers solid value for its price, especially for those who need a little more power than the Azuno. Its dual-voltage capability and portability make it suitable for small workshops or on-the-go projects. Pros include its dual-voltage functionality and smooth wire feed system, while cons are its limited capacity for thick materials and lack of advanced features. Taking the number 3 spot is the Best MIG 135A welder, a versatile 3-in-1 machine priced at $119.99. This welder offers MIG, lift TIG, and stick welding capabilities, making it suitable for a variety of applications. With an output of 135A, it can handle materials up to 1/8 inch thick, making it a step up from the entry-level models in terms of power and functionality. The included accessory kit, which features gloves, a welding helmet, and a flux core wire, provides excellent value for beginners. Design-wise, the Best MIG boasts a compact and robust build, with an intuitive LED digital display for real-time parameter monitoring. The digital control technology automatically adjusts settings for cleaner welds with reduced spatter, making it user-friendly for both novices and experienced welders. However, while it delivers impressive versatility, its 110-volt power source limits its use for larger, industrial-scale projects. With its excellent balance of price, performance, and included accessories, the Best MIG is ideal for home workshops and DIYers looking for a reliable, all-in-one solution. Pros include its versatility and comprehensive accessory kit, while cons are its limited power for heavy-duty tasks and reliance on a 110-volt power source. At number 2, we have the YesWelder gasless 160A multi-process MIG welder, priced at $167.47. This 4-in-1 machine offers MIG, flux core, lift TIG, and stick welding capabilities, making it one of the most versatile options on this list. With a 160A output and dual voltage functionality, it's suitable for automotive, construction, and fabrication projects. The Synergic control system automatically adjusts voltage and wire feed speed, while manual controls allow for fine-tuning by experienced welders. The MIG Welders design is lightweight and portable, weighing just under 20 pounds. Its advanced LED display provides clear, real-time feedback, and the machine includes safety features such as overload protection and automatic voltage compensation. While it's a great all-around performer, its price point and feature set may be overkill for casual users who don't need its full range of capabilities. This welder is perfect for those who want a mix of power, portability, and versatility. It's ideal for professionals and serious DIYers who need a multifaceted tool for various projects. Pros include its multi-process capabilities and user-friendly design, while cons are its slightly higher price and steeper learning curve for beginners. Finally, at number 1, we have the MIG Welder MIG 205DS Pro, the premium choice at $339.99. This 5-in-1 machine is the most feature-rich option on our list, offering gas MIG, flux core MIG, spool gun aluminum MIG, lift TIG, and stick welding capabilities. With a powerful 200 amp output and dual voltage functionality, this welder can handle a wide range of materials, from thin sheet metal to thicker steel and aluminum. The Synergic control system makes it accessible for beginners, while manual controls cater to professionals. The MIG 205DS Pro is built for durability and precision, featuring a digital display for precise control and settings. Its robust safety features, including overload protection and voltage fluctuation compensation, ensure both user safety and machine longevity. While it's the heaviest welder on this list at 35.8 pounds, it's still portable enough for on-site work. This welder is perfect for professionals and advanced users who need a versatile, high-performance machine for demanding projects. Its premium price is justified by its capabilities, making it a worthwhile investment for serious welders. Pros include its 5-in-1 functionality and high power output, while cons are its higher price and heavier build compared to other models. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions about these products, leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.